la buena vida.
I think this kind of projects bring the best of us together for a common goal.
When you get into the formula, it's another category.
So New Zealand is a beautiful place, you know. I don't think we can contaminate, you know what I mean? People do whatever they want, everywhere.
The people in Argentina, they're quite welcoming and it was great.
And when we were at Menorca, we went to a little restaurant called El Faro and we ate mussels and drank caipirinhas.
I consider them both home, but Nicaragua has all my family there.
Yeah, we've been traveling the best of New Zealand, I would say.
Good things are always really difficult to achieve.
Our New Zealanders can eat what is, to me, one of the most idiosyncratic foods from Spain.
Without scientific coordination, but also it wouldn't happen without the help of everybody.
I particularly would like to go back and make a film in Latin America.
You think of salsa night, dancing, but in here the atmosphere is sort of different. Just enjoy your night.